Yes, good day to you guys. So ito yung mga experience as a network marketer here in Worldwide Entrepreneurs. So welcome natin na si Mami. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes, good day to you guys, and I am right here in Rosario, Batangas, and super happy and grateful right now, mainly because sa journey natin dito sa Worldwide Entrepreneurs sa network marketing, naranasan natin yung life ng pagiging traveler, which is yun yung gusto din natin sa buhay. Akala ko before hanggang Bacolod lang ako, akala ko before hindi ako makakaalis sa lugar namin, but right now because of Worldwide Entrepreneurs, because of network marketing, yeah, super happy and grateful.